Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will learn how to install the GPT-OSS model on Windows 11 with Ollama. For that first we will install Ollama. Then in the second step we will install GPT-OSS on Ollama. Let us start. Go to the web browser. On Google type Ollama and press enter. The official website is visible, ollama.com. Click on it. After clicking, you need to directly click on download. It automatically selected the Windows version. Click download for Windows. The download started. Let's wait. We have downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. Click install. Ollama is getting installed. So guys, we have installed Ollama. Now let us use Ollama to install GPT-OSS. Let us go to the same page, that is the ollama.com website. Go to models and here you can see the recent AI model is visible. Okay, it released yesterday. I'll click on it. Here it's written 20B and 120B. These are the parameters, that is 20 billion and 120 billion. So GPT-OSS is released in two versions, 20B and 120B. Obviously 20B is a quantized version. To install GPT-OSS, you can select this command. Okay, I want to install the 20 billion parameters only because this is what my system will support. It's only 14 GB. So what I'll do, I'll click on the 20 billion and after clicking, the exact command is visible here. I'll just copy this. Go to start, type CMD. Now here type Ollama. The following shows that we successfully installed Ollama. Now to run a model, there is a command called run. Now to run, what I'll do, I'll just add the same command. So the same is visible here, Ollama space run command. After that, mention the model name and the specific parameters. I'll copy it again, right click and it will get pasted, or you can manually type this. So this is the command Ollama space run. That is the following to run a model. I'll press enter. It will take some time because it's 13 GB. Now you can see it is successful. Let us ask something. Hi, how are you doing? Press enter and it will reply. So guys, now let us ask which number is bigger, 9.1 or 9.9. So guys, in this way we can easily install GPT-OSS on Windows 11. For a free generative AI tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. Thank you for watching.